What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today we're going to go over a day trading recap. Check it out. Well, guys, today, once again, just like yesterday, and next week I'm going in. Summertime is here. It's what I'm feeling. I'm starting to get the feeling summertime is here, and things are going to get choppy, and we're going to get a lot of one and done moves. So I'm thinking, since I've been doing so well, I'm not going to push into resistance. I'm going to maybe, depending how things go, I'm going to get a feel for it, start to decrease my size a little bit and protect the profits I've made this year going into the summer. And then just basically, just trek along during the summer. Be careful. Trade very, very conservative. Careful. Unless an opportunity presents itself where, you just can't say no to it, right? And just be mindful of the potential of a choppy summer. Small caps in the summer, they tend to get really, really choppy. I'm going to show you some patterns, some charts here in a second. This morning I tweeted out a screenshot of my gap scanner. Here, let me show you the gap scanner real quick. I tweeted out a screenshot of my gap scanner, said I don't like anything today. And these are the trade idea scanners. You can get them in the description section below. There's a link to them with a 15% off coupon code as well. So I tweeted that. If you don't follow me on Twitter, also in the description section below, you can find my Twitter and follow me there. I didn't like anything. And I'll show you what happened here. Let's see. Let's start to get to it. EKSO. EKSO was down here in front of this, highs from yesterday, and I was like, maybe if we break VWAP, there's a chance there. Normally, I would have thought to take an entry down here, but I didn't. And I said, maybe if we break VWAP, there's a shot there to, take a trade. Ideally, I would have loved to have grabbed some like 880s. Let's say you got in here at 885 or so, 1,000 shares, you're risking 15 cents is a no-brainer for a shot at a couple dollars almost in profit. But I didn't get that. And I was looking at NIO or INO, whatever it was, prior. So I missed the VWAP break. This VWAP break was money. But as you can see, look, boom, halted. Squeezed a little bit higher, complete fail. That's it. This is a one and done move. Then you had... who was the other one? VXRT. Similar issue. Boom. One. Halt. Comes back down. Done. Now we're halted to the downside. I traded VXRT. We're going to go over that trade. Who was the other one? There was more. Let me see here if I can find it. Was it MDCA? Don't know. No, MDCA is actually in play now, but I have trust issues right now. This thing could go to $3 for all I care. I'm not going to touch it because chances are I jump in there and then, come right back down to 240. No, thank you. We double top up here, come right back down to 240. No. Like I said, I'm having trust issues right now. This is 57 million in float share stock, so not something that I typically would trade anyways. As far as small caps go. If it was a large cap, I don't care. SPY, missed the boat on there on some puts, but who would have, honestly, I didn't think we were going to just fade it like this so hard. I already thought we were going to get a red to green move on the SPY today. What else do we have? Then we have large caps, NKLA. Look at this. Big red to green move, just like the other day. Fail. What else do we have? We have BA. Kind of choppy, kind of did a bear flag here, dropped, what is this, 2 points, just not, if you're in this with same day expiration options, the time is getting 8 out of this, the time value, like it's just deteriorating, really choppy. So nothing for me on that either. I was even looking at Roku today, and I haven't traded Roku in forever. Roku would have been the cleanest short. This would have been the cleanest short or the cleanest put option play, honestly, on this right here. You got this push up, dump down, pop into 90 MA, starts to fail. You could have, I would have preferred VWAP in here. You could have taken a put there and written it down for a couple points. Maybe some puts would have done you well there, but I don't know, guys. I'm just not really liking this action. Look at this IBIO. Pop, drop. That's it. This is like, right now, I feel like we're in a small cap shorters market. Like if you're, shorting small caps, you're making money. Let's go back to what was it? VXRT. Where is it? Here it is. VXRT. Look at that. This is that one pop, VWAP test, drop, halt to the downside. Look at that. From $12.20 all the way to $9.50. Brand new low of the day. Good profits to be made there. So now I do have two trades. We're going to go over both of them. Both recorded live. All right, before we do me the quick favor, guys. It's Friday, so help me out with smashing the like button or gently tapping it. Let's try to get that like count. Let's say 50 likes. Let's say we can get to 50 likes today. That'd be outstanding. Look at how choppy this is. Look how it's just retracing back. That's nuts. INO, check this out. Right out of the bell, look at this drop from 31 and change. Look, high of day right here, 31.72, low of day, 24.60. Like this, just the bell rang, and it was like a teenager going to school, like middle school, just fell right out of bed, pop. Like nothing. There was nothing there you could do. Just watch it go, unless you were just momentum chasing it to the downside and it works for you. Whatever, some people make money that way, and boom, you would have made a bundle. Hard to borrow. So I couldn't short it. So I was looking for, puts on this. And as typical, on this bounce, I got short right in here via puts. Great entry. I thought I could write it back down. Nope. Popped right up through all of this, stopped me out. And right there was my first loss of the day. Let's see if I can find that video. I think it's this one. Oh no, this is just me looking at everything. Look, see? Look at the action. I'm like, okay, well, INO is setting up. What else can we trade? VXRT, no. BA, NKLA. Looking at the 15-minute on NKLA. This is what I do every morning, guys. Looking for opportunity, just scanning, looking at chart setups. What's happening here? Oh, it's INO. Oh, of course, now it's set up, of course. But I don't think I want to trade it. CTXR. Whoops. Check out CTXR. Pushes to a brand new high a day, pulls all the way back into support. Generally, a very bearish signal. Generally, not always. In this case, I went on to make new highs. INO right there, boom. I get short because we failed VWAP and 90 MA here. So I'm like, okay, I'll get short 2 of them. If we pop up here and fail again, I'll add 2 to 3 more contracts. And we'll see if we can get a ride down there to the lows. What happens? Oh, look at CTXR. See, right there, 190. Super choppy. What happens next is that. Boom. I'm like, well, great. Thank you for nothing. And I stop out of it. And what does it do? It goes all the way back up here to $28 and change. And now it's setting up for another opportunity for a short, but no thanks. I'm not getting chopped up. I refuse to get chopped up. My next trade is VXRT. VXRT right here. Oh, did I not? Okay, so right here I take 100 shares down here at 1170 something. Once we start to really hold the area, I add another 200. And what I wanted to do was break VWAP. The volume was increasing. Look at the volume down here. Can you see my... There you go. Volume is increasing, okay? You see right here, 200 shares. So what I'm thinking is we break VWAP, this volume bar will continue to increase. I'm gonna double up the position to 400 or 500 shares. And let's get a ride up here to $13.50, $14. It's there. If we break $13.50, we're gone. This thing is gonna go, it's gonna make a new high. It's just going to. I fully believe that. So with 400, 500 shares from a cost basis of, let's say, $12, boom, that's $1 and change, $2 we're going to potentially get to. It's going to be an easy, minimum $600 winner, more than likely. anywhere from $750 to $1,000 winner by risking a couple $100 at most, because I'm in at 1184 right there. Once it triggers, it's going to go. More than likely, it's going to go because this volume is increasing. There's a lot of shorts that piled in here when we broke and made a new low a day. But then when we held this 90 EMA, you know, it's the recipe. Halt to the upside. Fails to make a new high, you know, fails to hold the new high. More shorts pop in there. VWAP test, more shorts pop in there. Break underneath the day's low, more shorts pop in there. Hold the 90 EMA, shorts are like, oops, don't know about this anymore. So it is not without the realm of possibilities to reach $15 on this play. So I thought, you know, we had a real good potential. Well, this is what happens. Very short trade. We get right up in there, and old me would have been desperately adding already there. But no. Nope. We wait. We wait for the opportunity. It doesn't break VWAP. It attempts. It doesn't break VWAP, and I'm like, bogus. I was like, totally bogus. I don't want to play with you anymore. So I exit the position right around there. Just so much selling pressure came up there. I exited right there. Boom. Done. I exit that position and close it out for a very small loss. And what does it do right afterwards? Look how choppy this is. What does it do right afterwards? Right after I exit it. Where did I exit? I exited right here on this candle. 2 more candles later, bang. And I'm happy I exited. This was a short, but there's no shorts, hard to borrow, and there's no puts. Once I saw this, you know, this VWAP fail right here, like it didn't get through it here, I was like, nah, this thing's gonna give it back. And it did, you know. And sometimes I'd be wrong and I would have exited early and this thing would have just catapulted to $15, then $20. But hey, today it saved me a bunch of money. I'm only down $130. Been a great week. $350 on Monday trading futures. I tweeted that since it was at night and I didn't trade during the day since I wasn't at my platform. Then I did take a little $60 loss trading futures Monday morning. And I will do the video on the $350 win. So $350, or I say $300 on Monday. Then we had Tuesday, another $500 NKLA. Then Wednesday, another 100 and change NKLA. Then Thursday, yesterday, was barely green, but green. And then today, Friday, a small $130 loss. I'll take it. This is how you trade. Small losses, bigger winners. And repeat it every single day. That's what you try to do. We're not perfect. We're going to be wrong. Today I was wrong. So I kept my losses extremely small, extremely tight. Came into the day knowing the potential that today was going to be very choppy. So I decreased my size. You saw I only took starters on my puts, just 2 contracts. You saw I took very small size on VXRT, just 200 shares. Was going to add into the VWAP break when the trade triggered. It didn't trigger. Now look how choppy this is. Look at this. Boom. Look how choppy INO is. Chop. You know, everything is extremely choppy. Roku was a clean move to the downside. BA, I don't know. I don't even know what to say about it. BA. EKSO, choppy. Summer is here. I'm gonna take a clue from this, and I'm gonna continue trading very, very defensively until the market shows me otherwise. When I start getting cleaner moves, I'll start hitting it hard again. Because I'm anxious to do so. But what I'm not anxious to do is lose money. What I hope you're anxious to do is slap that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Comment in the comment section below. Let me know how your week went. I hope you have an excellent weekend. Let's kill it next week, and I'll catch you on the next one.